How to pin app on Pixel 9a or any other Pixel devices. So if you want to give your phone to your friend or any family member or access the specific application or access the specific screen, you can use this app pinning feature. When you pin the app or pin the any screen, that user can only access that screen on your device. Let's see with the example. So first of all, make sure enable app pinning feature on your Pixel device. First of all, open the recent application to swipe up and hold. Tap the app icon, and here you can find the app pin option. So if you can't find the app pinning option, make sure enable this feature on your device. So here you can't see the app pinning. So you need to first of all enable it. To enable this feature, open the app drawer on your Pixel device. Tap the settings app. Here you can search for app pin or scroll down until security and privacy. Tap on security and privacy. Again scroll down. At the end you can find option more security and privacy in your picture. So tap on it. Now scroll down again. At the end you can see the app pinning option on your Pixel 9a and any other older Pixel device. So tap on it. Now make sure to toggle on this option, use app pinning. Also you can see the message, when app is pinned, personal data may be accessible. Pin app may open other apps. So tap on OK. Also make sure to toggle on this option, ask for unlock pattern before unpinning. So make sure both of these option is enabled. Now open the any screen you want to access to your friend or family member. Like here we access settings on my friend. Just swipe up and hold, and tap on the app icon you want to pinning the application. Like if you want to access only YouTube application, so tap on app icon and tap on a pin icon. Or if you want to use Google Chrome only, so tap on a app icon, tap on a pin. Now you can see the message app is pinned on your Pixel 9a and any other Pixel device. Tap on a got it. Now app is pinned message on your screen. Now you can only access the Google Chrome on your device. Just use the Google Chrome on your device. You want anything. If you want to go back, you can't go back. Here you can see the message to unpin this app, swipe up and hold. So this is the very helpful feature if you want to access specific app or specific screen, or you want to give your phone to your friend or family member to access any specific game or specific YouTube application or any other. So to unpin the application, just swipe up and hold, and you can see unpin the application. Now you need to unlock your device to access. You can see up is unpin message. Now access your device like before. It's quite easy to pin or unpin app on your Pixel 9a and other Pixel devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.